All right, so the back of the skull is completed, and I must say it's a lot better than I thought it would turn out. Right in here, there was a lot of layer line where the printer finished up, real heavy layer lines. I lightly sanded it, 320 grit, lightly, and then I put some the resin. So this stuff here, UV resin, just spread it on there with a brush and then sanded it down. So it took quite a few passes with sanding to get this, but I'm very happy with the way this came out. The skull, obviously the crown jewel of the model. So I was nervous. I didn't want to mess this one up. Didn't want to have to reprint it. But really happy with this. Came out really nice. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe to stay updated with my latest content. For those who want to dive deeper and even try making the projects that you see here, consider joining my Patreon community. As a member, you'll get exclusive access to all the files, models, and code I use in these creations. Join me now at patreon.com/thecrazymadscientist and be a part of the adventure. Your support means the world.